Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial on creating in-text citations in ASA style. In this tutorial, we'll explain what an in-text citation is, why they have to be included, and the different ways that they can be formatted. So you've got your citations together in your bibliography. Great! But bibliographic citations are only one half of a full citation. The other half is the in-text citation. What's an in-text citation? An in-text citation is the way we link the materials you've used from your sources to your bibliography. Adding an in-text citation allows the reader to see the specific parts of your paper that you've taken from other sources and where exactly they came from in those sources. In ASA style, an in-text citation is composed of three elements. Two elements link the in-text citation with the bibliography. These are the author's name and the date of publication. The other element allows you to know exactly where in the source you retrieved the information you're citing. This is the page number. Generally, these three elements are delineated in the text by placing them in parentheses, with the page number being preceded by a colon. Now, there are two basic ways to integrate an in-text citation into the text of your paper. First, you can place the whole citation at the end of a sentence in which you included your quote or paraphrase. So, for example, the study argues, quote, "You should cite your work," unquote, "Note that the citation falls outside of the quotation marks," and that the period that ends the sentence comes after the citation. However, this isn't the only way to include an in-text citation. If the author's name is part of the actual flow of your text, you don't have to include it within the parentheses. Instead, you can format your citation like this. Heron, 2019 parentheses, stated you should cite your work. As you can see, all three elements of the citation still exist inside the sentence. This is also acceptable. Now, ASA also throws a little bit of a curveball when it comes to in-text citations with three or more authors. If you have three authors in a source you're citing, the first time you include them in an in-text citation, you will write out all three of their last names. However, in every subsequent citation, you will only include the first author's last name, followed by the words et al. This is an abbreviation for the Latin term et alia, which means and the rest. If you have four or more authors in a citation, you don't even bother with writing all the names out the first time you include them in an in-text citation. You just begin with the first author's last name, followed by et al. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have further questions regarding in-text citation or citation in general, you can always talk to a librarian. To contact a librarian, send us an email at libraryhelp, one word, @cpp.edu, or call us at 909-869-3084.